What if your gray hair isn't actually permanent? And what if the real reason your hair is losing its color has nothing to do with age? Most people believe gray hair is just a natural part of getting older, but here's the truth. Thousands of people in their 20s and 30s are already dealing with premature graying, low energy, dull skin, and faster signs of aging. So what's really going on? It starts deep inside your body. Your hair gets its color from a pigment called melanin, and your skin stays youthful when your cells repair and regenerate properly. But when something interrupts these processes, things begin to change. Hair slowly loses its color, skin begins to wrinkle, energy levels drop, and your body starts aging faster than it should. Now here's where it gets interesting. There is a hidden deficiency that many people have without even realizing it. And this deficiency quietly affects your blood, your nerves, your brain, and even your hair color. The scary part? You could be eating healthy and still be lacking it. Let me ask you this. Do you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Do you sometimes experience brain fog or forgetfulness? Have you noticed tingling sensations in your hands or feet? Or maybe your skin looks pale and your hair is graying faster than expected. If you said yes to even one of these, then this might be exactly what your body is missing. But here is why most people ignore it. Because the signs are subtle. They don't hit you all at once. They build up slowly until one day you look in the mirror and wonder what changed. Now stay with me because this is where everything connects. This one nutrient plays a critical role in oxygen transport, cell repair, and pigment production. Without it, your body literally struggles to maintain youth. And your hair is one of the first places it shows. So what is this powerful missing link? It's vitamin B12. Yes, something as simple as vitamin B12 could be the hidden reason behind your premature gray hair and accelerated aging. Vitamin B12 is essential for producing red blood cells. These cells carry oxygen to every part of your body, including your scalp and skin. When your body lacks B12, oxygen supply drops, and when that happens, melanin production, the pigment responsible for your hair color, begins to slow down. That's when gray hair starts appearing. But it doesn't stop there. Low B12 also affects your skin, your energy, and even your brain function. That's why people with B12 deficiency often look older, feel weaker, and struggle with focus. Now here's the powerful part. If your gray hair is caused by vitamin B12 deficiency, there is a real chance to slow it down, and in some cases even reverse it, but only if you use it the right way. First, you need to correct the deficiency. The best forms of vitamin B12 are methylcobalamin and cyanocobalamin. Methylcobalamin is more natural and better absorbed by the body. You can take it as tablets, capsules, or sublingual supplements that dissolve under your tongue. For most people, a daily dose of 500 to 1,000 micrograms is effective. But if the deficiency is severe, higher doses or injections may be needed under medical guidance. Now here's what most people overlook. Consistency is everything. You won't wake up tomorrow with black hair again, but within weeks you may start noticing more energy, clearer skin, and healthier hair. Over time, the appearance of new gray strands may slow down, and in some cases, new hair growth may come in darker. But don't rely on supplements alone. You need to support your body with the right foods. Vitamin B12 is naturally found in animal-based foods like eggs, fish, meat, and dairy. If you're vegetarian or vegan, your risk of deficiency is much higher, so supplementation becomes even more important. Also, combine B12 with nutrients like iron and folate. They work together to improve blood health and oxygen delivery, which directly affects your hair and skin. And here's a pro tip. Avoid excessive alcohol and highly processed foods. They interfere with B12 absorption and speed up the aging process. If you have digestive issues, your body may not absorb B12 properly. In that case, sublingual supplements or injections work better. Now let's be real. Not all gray hair can be reversed. Genetics and natural aging still play a role. But if your graying is linked to deficiency, you have a real opportunity to take control. And even if your hair doesn't fully return to its original color, you'll still gain something even more valuable. More energy, sharper thinking, healthier skin, and a slower aging process overall. So instead of guessing, start giving your body what it truly needs. Because sometimes the solution isn't expensive treatments or chemicals. It's simply correcting what your body has been lacking all along. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more powerful health insights that actually work. And tell me in the comments, have you started noticing gray hair earlier than expected?